Good job, Tashi. Hi. Come on. She likes to walk up and down the steps. Let's walk. See you walk. Go, Tashi. She just likes to go up and down, up and down. Good job, honey. Good job. Good, sweetie. Good. Oh, she wants to go back. There she goes. Good, honey. Good job, little girl. Now she wants to go back again. Hey, she's getting good practice going up and down those steps.
There we go. Oh, there she. Okay, want to rest a little bit?
Okay, good job, Tashi. Very nice. Good job. Yay!